Want to log into NFL Network and start watching? First, open up NFL app on your phone or you can open up any web browser. Then head over to nfl.com/watch. Now, you will find the option of sign in. You simply want to tap on that option, or if you do not have an account, tap on sign up for free. Now, you will have to enter your credentials here. You can either use your email address or continue using Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. If you subscribe through NFL Plus or another package that includes NFL Network, make sure you're signed in with the correct NFL.com account linked to that subscription. Once you have been signed in, you can stream live shows, games, and on-demand NFL Network content anywhere your provider supports it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.